So let you see the second ones. So actually I will put in this one for my chickens, because for the small chicken I keep away from their mothers. I would like to keep them very well, because right now it's a rainy season. It is not good for the chickens, so they get wet everywhere. So I separated them away from their mothers. So actually I give them like 3 times a day. So let's see the next together. Okay everyone, let's see here. They enjoy their breakfast. You can see, and cost you less, only from the bananas and some rice or some factory feed. I combined it together for them. You can see